Hey guys, Paint with Josh back in the studio. The doorbell just rang. What could this possibly be? Oh my goodness. It's the set from Meeden. I can't wait to crack this box open and see what we got inside. Let's get it open and oh my, look at this, guys. That is one gorgeous little kit, like a briefcase type easel. That's gonna be fantastic. Look at these. You have primed and unprimed canvas paper, basically, that you can use to practice trees and all sorts of stuff on. If these are disposable palette pads, there must be a palette. So, wow, a 12 by 16 stretch canvas in the pack as well. And what is this? A 10 by 10 canvas panel to paint on. Two 9 by 12 canvas panels to paint on. These are gonna be fantastic. You can do a little triptych scene like that, right? What is inside of here? It's so soft and pretty. Oh my goodness. Palette knives, liner brush sets. Oh, look at all these colors. I cannot wait. Check this out. Essential painting parts bundle. What's inside this box? Oh, it's like a little brush cleaning kit, you guys. Oh God, it comes with brushes too. Let's see what's inside the brush box. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to start using these. We got filberts. We got a 1-inch. We got liner brushes. We got little brushes. We got baby fan brushes. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 colors. Oh, I've gotta crack one open. Wow, these are really nice. Check this out. Oh, look at how thick that is. That is gonna be fun. Seriously though, for that price, you can't get this amount of stuff at the store. And I can attest, I've been using Meeden easels forever since I started painting. And I can't wait to start using these paints. It's gonna be fantastic. I have to say, probably the best part about this, beyond its enormous space to be able to fit all of this stuff inside this little briefcase box, is its little swinging arm. See how it swings down like that? They're wondering, why does it swing? Why does it swing, guys? Well, there's little notches inside, so you can set it to a certain degree, whatever's easiest for you or the most comfortable. And then you can adjust this down here, adjust it up at the top, just like that. You've got any size canvas that you want to hold, plus you can fold it up like a briefcase and take it with you. It's perfect for travel. Just absolutely perfect. You want to know what I would do? I would put it like this. We would close it down, put all of our paints inside, put your canvas, still wet, in your easel so you can travel back home. Adjust it down so it stays tight. Poof. You've got a briefcase and you're off to work. It's gonna be a fantastic day at the office, right?